Guys, YouTube just changed the monetization requirements for 2026. Like they have doubled what we used to know before. See, if you're out there, you are planning to monetize your channel, you are still growing from scratch, you really need to hear this particular update because I think this happened to be one of the biggest updates on YouTube history for the longest because they've been a big change to the requirement for you to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. But do you know one thing? There is still another beautiful benefit that comes with this the new announcement, and we're going to be finding out in this particular video. So as usual, try your best to make sure to pay maximum attention, okay? Because this update was released just yesterday and we're going to be delving into it together. Okay, so make sure to pay attention. Now, with that much being said, let's delve straight into the video. So, before we delve into the main video, first of all, I want to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you that reached out to me, that is checking up on me to know why I have been offline for the longest. What happened is that I was involved in an accident that almost claimed my life. So, I give God all the glory. I'm so happy to be holding this my camera to film this particular video. Yes, I am not yet 100% back, but at least you're going to be seeing me once in a while. The accident was that bad that it actually gave me a lot of injuries on my body, most especially my leg area. But all the same, I'm so happy to be back, and once more, I give all glory to God Almighty. Okay, so with that much being said, we're going to be going straight into the dashboard from the YouTube official blog website, and we're going to be reviewing this new update together. Okay, now the very first update that they made known is the change to the YouTube monetization requirement, because before now, for you to monetize your YouTube channel, what you basically need is just the 4,000 public watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers, which is actually somehow easy to get to some extent, even though it's difficult. Now imagine what they now changed it to. I just hope this should maybe be like a rumor because this is too high. So this is what it says. Starting February 1st, 2027, new creators applying for YPP tier that gives access to ads and YouTube premium revenue sharing is going to be needing 1,000 subscribers, which is the usual 1K subs, plus either 8,000 qualified public watch hours in the last 365 days or 20 million qualified public short views in the last 90 days. So that is to say you're going to be needing to get 8,000 public watch time hours within 365 days. That is for those people that upload long form videos. But if you are a person that upload YouTube shorts, then you'll be needing to have 20 million short views. So I think it's high time creators actually buckle up. That is, if you're not yet monetized, to put in much more energy for you to get monetization. Now, I don't know if this thing is going to change or they're just going to be leaving it like this. Now, let us explore into the second one. So the second update regarding to short is starting from February 1st, 2027. YouTube says creators who are already in the YPP will need 10 million qualified short views in the previous 90 days to be eligible for short ads and subscription revenue sharing. So basically, what this particular thing that I just read for us simply mean is that let's assume that you are already monetized and you are earning from both the long form content and the short form content. So if your short views falls below 10 million in the required 90-day period, it does not mean that YouTube is going to automatically delete your YPP membership. You're going to remain in YPP, but short revenue sharing is going to pause until you cross that threshold again. Like, I just hope they still release another update explaining this thing in a much more better way because I still don't get. YouTube is literally going to turn into something else starting from February 2027. Now, let us quickly delve into the third update, which I feel is more like a bonus or more like an extended way you can earn money here on YouTube. So the third update is YouTube is now introducing more ways to earn. Yeah, so according to YouTube, they say that they are introducing new insensitive programs rather than relying only on traditional ad revenue. So these programs include YouTube shopping, brand deals, starting and growing trend. So YouTube says more details about this program is going to be shared to us later. So basically, what this explain is that apart from uploading videos on your channel, getting views, and meeting these requirements for you to monetize your YouTube channel, you can still make money. That is apart from the official basic monetization YPP requirements. That is, you can earn money from brand deals and shopping as well. Another update that they added is the premium light, which they said is an expansion which creators which creates another potential source of creator revenue from subscription viewing. So these are just highlights of these updates. I strongly believe that from now till before that February 1st, 2027, there's going to be much more updates explaining them very well in details. But do not worry, I'm still going to be coming back to throw more light on all this information. I just said, let me come and share this new updates with us. Okay. Now, the most important thing now is that because I believe most people or most new YouTubers they're going to start panicking. You honestly do not need to panic. I swear. Okay. The fact still remains that you can still monetize your channel with the usual 4K hours and 1,000 subscribers and even the 10 million short views is still very, very much available. If you go through the end section of your YouTube studio, you are going to see it there. So do not panic. This is only going to be starting by February next year. It's still very, very far. I think about 5 to 6 months away. So you can monetize that your channel from now to the next 3 months, 4 months. All right. So the 10 million short views is still very, very much intact. And who knows, maybe by that time they might decide to bring it down. And also, if you do not know, this recent 4,000 watch hours and the 1K subscribers and the 10 million short views we are using right now, as of 7, 8, 10 years ago, I'm not really sure if that is what creators were to meet up to before they get monetized. So one thing about YouTube is that the platform keeps on evolving. Like this year, they might bring this update. In the next 5 years, they are throwing another update. But as long as the platform is not shutting down, believe me when I say it is small thing, we all are going to um we are going to win. Yes, and we are going to still post our content and at the end of the day still make income. So I don't want this update should scare that is to scare anybody at all. No, 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 no. If it is even though they increase it to 14,000 public watch hours, we are still going to do it. Trust me. As long as the algorithm does not change and we still keep getting the views that we deserve for our content. Okay. So this is basically the recent update, and I'm glad you made it to this point. And if you did, you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please do well to make sure to subscribe, like this video, and lastly, do not forget to share so that this video can get to a lot of other YouTubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.